Alright, some of y'all may have this problem. Favorite roller bag starts having a problem with the wheels. Listen to this. What's going on? Look at that. So the key is going to be to get the size of these wheels and then order the right set from Amazon. So let me remove this and see what it looks like. Okay, so the key is getting an Allen wrench that fits and removing screws, and then just turning it over. That comes out. Other side comes out. There we go. Pull that out. Now, hope you're ready for a surprise because there's an unexpected surprise when doing this. Dude, look. That's hair. So in addition to the fact that my wheels have started wearing away, this thing has been collecting hair in all the airports it goes through for the last few years. I'm sure this could be used by CSI. That's hair right there, man. Gross. So let me take off all 4 wheels. We're gonna put on these cheap ones we ordered off Amazon for 20 bucks. See how it looks. Okay, so we've got the 4 wheels off. Here's the 4 wheels. That is my hairball collection. So if you didn't have a wheel that was falling apart like this one, but your bag was just rolling a little bit rough, you might just take them apart and remove all this gunk and put them back together and see how you're doing. So before I ordered these wheels, I knew that I had to get the right size. So I had to measure them. So you have to measure both the radius of the wheels. So look at this. So that's these are 60s, 59. And you also have to do the width. It's tricky because you have to do the width both at the bearings and without the bearings. So these are 18 and 21 with the bearings. So then you just order the right ones online, and then the last bit is it will come with some new hardware as well. You can see in the bag here. However, the bolts it came with are a little bit longer than the ones I had in my bag, and if you'll notice, these have a little square flange at the bottom of it to stop it from rotating on one side. So I'm just going to reuse those and put the new wheels on using the old hardware. So let's see how it looks. All right, I've got the 4 new wheels on. Let's see how they sound, how they look. Ooh, that works good. A lot of sound, nice and smooth. Easy change, 5 minutes, 20 bucks. And I can wash my hands and get that disgusting gunk off me. Happy repairs.